Here is example 1.
No, he wants to do it so fast, so he write it 6 of us. Even though we don't have enough time for it.
There's two options for this. The inside could equal 6, or the inside could equal
-6.
-6. Split up your two options, solve both of them. See what you get.
4 and 0.
So this will be 3x equals 12, x equals 4, and this one will be 3x equals 0, so x equals 0. And we have two answers. Oh, but I didn't read the question. This is solving algebraically. What did the question say?
Graphing.
Solve graphing. So what do we do when we solve graphing? We graph the one side in one color. We graph the other side in a different color and see where the two graphs cross. So, if I was solving this by graph, 3x minus 6 has an x-intercept at 2. That's going to be a very important point. It has a y-intercept at -6, but the absolute value would make that positive 6. And that would be my graph. Then in blue, y equals 6. This is lucky, we talked about this just earlier. Y equals 6 would just be a horizontal line. Graphically, where do they intersect? Here and here. This point is 4,6. This point is 0,6. So the solutions are, and this is where on the grade 12 exam, they are super picky. If you wrote your answers as 0,6 and 4,6, they take off a mark. Because there are no, it says solve by graphing, but there are no y values. When you're solving this, you are just solving for x. We use the graph to find out where they intersect, but when we write our solutions, we write only the x values.
When you're solving it algebraically, why did you use a -6? Like 6 and a -6.
Because in solving it algebraically, I said that the inside part, absolute values make it positive. In order to get a positive 6, the inside part would either originally have to be a positive 6, or the inside part could have been a -6. So what I technically was doing was I was saying this green graph, if it extended as just the inside graph, it's going to hit -6 here. And then that absolute value brings it up, and that's going to be another solution.
Oh, because it doesn't matter. You're just solving for the x, so it doesn't matter if you. Okay, I get it.
Okay. Your explanation was going well.
Well, no, yeah.
I liked it.
I know what it means in my head. I just can't like
Articulate.
say it out loud. Yeah.
The other thing some people do, just to further help your head, okay?
Okay.
What was causing you problems before, because when you looked at the graph, you're like, the y values are only 6. But what some people do, and I'll just show it here in green, is they keep this 6, and they take this side, which was 3x minus 6, and say, I flipped it up, so I put a negative in front. And that's like the piecewise notation, taking that part and flipping it up. Algebraically, though, I find more people understand just saying, hey, what could the inside be? The inside could be 6, or the inside could be a -6. Okay, questions to circle on this one? 5A and 6.